If you zoom in, you'll see that working in fulfillment at IKEA is not just packing boxes. There's a world beyond the warehouse, and a career just for you. If you're into planning, there's our customs team. You'd make sure any product has a smooth journey through our supply chain. Or maybe you're an organization expert. Be part of the team making over 1 million click and collect orders and 2 million home deliveries possible. As well as helping over 10,000 IKEA products reach our stores across the UK and Ireland, while still finding time to enjoy fika, Swedish for break time. Or perhaps you're an innovator. Join the fulfillment experts to design and build our future network and help keep the IKEA shopping experience ahead of the curve. That's Norma. She'll always give you a smile. If you're a forward thinker, become part of the team that's making IKEA as sustainable as possible. Collaborate with our delivery providers to get the Billy bookcase to a customer's front door, using all electric vans or even a solar bike. So whatever you're looking for in a job, from operating the everyday to drawing up the future of IKEA, find the role that's right for you. IKEA, the wonderful workday.